So the very first video showcasing the Galaxy S24 Ultra has been revealed, giving us a sneak peek at one major change they've got in store. We also have some other interesting information about the handset. What's up guys, Sal here. So a new video has surfaced showcasing the S24 Ultra in real life. The clip is just a few seconds long, but it's long enough to show that the phone indeed sports a pretty flat display with sharp corners. Samsung is the one who pioneered the curved displays, but starting in 2024, they're saying goodbye to curved screens for their whole Galaxy lineup. Bit of a bummer for the curved display fans, but look on the bright side. You can snag some wallet-friendly screen protectors and easily slap on tempered glass without dealing with messy liquid adhesive. Anyway, you can also see the titanium frame here. The video doesn't show its back, but hey, we've already got the lowdown on that. Moving on, more good news for the potential S24 buyers. S24 mentions that all three S24 handsets will have a more than 10% higher touchscreen response speed. What does that mean, and how does it improve the user experience? Well, touch response speed is all about how quickly your screen reacts to your touch. This means smoother and faster swipes, which is always a win. I know 10% isn't a lot, but it's certainly better than nothing. And considering One UI could benefit from improvements in overall perceived smoothness, this upgrade is intriguing. And this quicker touch response could level up your S Pen stylus game and make the experience of using the pen much better on the S24 Ultra. Now, in case you don't know, Samsung is currently accepting reservations for the S24 lineup. It's a complimentary service with no obligation to make a purchase, but if you later decide to order the S24 Ultra, you'll receive a $150 credit. Plus, there's a sweet $970 worth of surprises dropping on the 17th. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The link to the offer is in the description. Moving on, the official cases for the S24 lineup have been leaked. These are the official ones that Samsung itself will sell, including silicone, leather, and even some of the fancier ones, including silicone grip case and the Smart View wallet case. Now, Samsung will launch the phone on January 17th, but this time they're letting you try the phone and its new features in person starting that same day. That's right, Samsung announced that the S24 series will be available on display in select cities worldwide, allowing you to experience the phone and its new AI features firsthand. If you're near any of these locations, be sure to check out the phone and its features on the 17th itself. Now, recently we saw a leaked image showing that Google is merging Nearby Share with Samsung's Quick Share. Now, Google made that official. Google and Samsung are indeed merging the services into a singular cross-Android solution called Quick Share. With this, you can share any file to any device, including other Android phones, PCs, laptops, and even Chromebooks. It's a direct answer to Apple's AirDrop. Now, to see 6 more cool features of the S24 Ultra, click here and I'll see you there.